So today I'm going to show you how to make a really clean cup of coffee. And the result is going to be something similar to what I get with my Kalita Wave. The reason I came up with this method for the AeroPress is because I find that with the Kalita, it's a little bit more challenging. You have more variables in it. You have to watch your pour rate, you have to watch your the spirals and the timing, and I think that there are too many variables, whereas you cut some of those variables out using the AeroPress method that I'm about to describe. So what you're going to end up with is a very clean cup, and it's going to have a very interesting taste characteristic. It's going to be more nuanced than what I usually get with a standard inverted AeroPress method, and much cleaner as well. So for this method, we're going to use the AeroPress with a Joepresso attachment and a non-pressurized filter basket, along with 2 AeroPress filters. I have a stand that I could be using and weighing out the output, which would make it easier, but I decided to just demonstrate the trick that I shared, which is to pre-mark your output cup. So it's zeroed. I don't know if you can see it, but basically I'm gonna be doing 4 pours. So 210 divided by 4 is 52.5. So I'm gonna basically pour 52.5 grams in here. Maybe I'll be able to stop on time. 53, okay. I'm gonna mark it on the side. This is just a dry erase marker. Then I'm gonna tear it and do the same thing 2 more times. And this way I'll know when to do my pauses, and I don't have to worry about looking at the weight or figuring out how to get the weight. A little bit over it. And that's it. So basically pre-mark the cup. Use a glass cup if you have one. And that's it. So let me get my grinds and my water. I'll be right back. I ground 14 grams of this coffee. It's the same grind size I use for my Kalita. If I had to guess, I would say it's maybe 600-700 microns, maybe a little finer. I don't have a sieve. So what we're going to do is we're going to use 2 AeroPress filters. And we're going to rinse them. That's the way I rinse it. And we're going to fill it up. Now it's already pre-weighed, so I'm not weighing it out. And you know, I might be a little bit off. I'm just gonna level it out and tamp it just a little. It doesn't have to be tamped very hard because we're not making espresso with this. Okay. I'm just gonna make sure I can see my markers here. And let me go get the water. So I'm using water right off boil. I'm going to start my timer, and I'm going to pour in 210 plus 14, so 224, because I'm looking for 210 output, and the coffee grinds are going to retain about an equal amount of water. And I'm using a spoon just to make sure I don't disturb the grinds too much with the stream.
As you can see, we're already at 45 seconds. And took me a little long. So I'm just gonna go straight, very slowly. I'm just gonna go to the first mark, then pause for 30 seconds. And I'm done. So you see, it took me 3 minutes and 15 seconds because I was pouring a bit slowly.
There you have it, a really clean cup using your AirPress and Joepresso. Let us know what you think, and we hope you like it.